Hey guys, good morning. I just thought I would take you guys along on my morning routine. So far, all I've done is jumped out of bed, put on a cozy hoodie. We're gonna let the dogs out and go upstairs and get them breakfast and take them outside. Charlotte's horse buddies over there. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Alice. Now that the dogs are taken care of, I'm gonna go outside and water and feed and let out the chickens, goats, pigeons, and rabbits. I always water first because our chickens will get under our feet too badly. So it's always easier just to throw some feed and run. I always check under the pigeons because they're just right here next to the faucet. So let's see if they have any water. It's probably frozen. I refilled all the rabbits. They were all frozen, so that's why you guys didn't see but one. I had to bash them against the ground. So now I'm refilling the bucket to take down to the goats and chickens. I'll probably have to bash ice out of that one as well. This might be too heavy. Ooh. Let's go. I'm coming. I didn't have to break ice on theirs. It's very murky water, but we'll clean that up when it's warmer. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and not water the chickens because they can get to this one. And just feed and let everybody out. You guys ready for some breakfast? And what's the dessert? Okay. Green for the goats on bottom, chicken scratch for the chickens on top. And then we will let them out later today to forage this area. Okay, and then for the chickens, we got some chicken scratch. Sorry for the dogs barking in the background. They're hungry. I haven't got the food out here yet. what I usually do is sprinkle some along here and then take some in with me because we have quite a few and there's not enough feeders for everybody, and they tend to want to eat my feet on the way back to the house. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, and then I'll leave a little bit to take in. And in here, I'll just spread it. It's not very much left. This just lets me get out the door before they attack me, and then, well, not attack me, before they want something, and then when they come out with me, they'll get that, and then I can make it to the house. All right, let's let them out. Here we go. Ready, guys? And then they know that there's some out there as well. Okay, let's go inside before they get under my feet. So I'll see you guys inside. If I work, because usually I'd be getting ready for work right now instead of doing chores. So if I work, Jordan, my little sister, does the chores. And most of the time on the weekends, my dad does the chores. So this isn't an everyday thing. This is I'm off work. It's my turn to do the chores. Kevin never gets to do them. He's never home. And I guess he could help my dad on the weekends, but my dad kind of likes to do it, so. So it's split between the three of us. I was gonna say something else, but now I don't remember what it was. Okay, well, anyways, I have yet to shower, brush my teeth, wash my face, any of that. So I'm gonna show you guys the last little bit of my morning, and then usually after I do that, I sit down and relax, and sometimes I like to journal, I guess is what you would call it. I usually sit down and I like to write things in notepads, like lists and things that will never get done, but I would love for them to get done, and I'll rewrite them like every day. Does anybody else do that? Alright, so I'll see you guys in the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. Actually, I think I'll wash my face in the shower because I need a shower kind of day. So I'll see you guys to wash my teeth. Brush my teeth. See you in a minute. Teeth are nice and pearly white. And if I wasn't taking a shower, then I would use this Biore charcoal great for oiling skin cleanser. And then so I would scrub with that in water and rinse. And then once I rinsed, I would use this Biore charcoal cleansing water I'd put it on a cotton swab and just kind of wipe it along where my blackheads and stuff are at. And then after the cleansing water, I would put on this Equate Eczema Soothing moisturizer cream, which I'm almost out of. Because yes, I do have eczema on my face and behind my ears and on the back of my neck. So, but since I'm getting in the shower, I will use this Clean and Clear Acne Triple Cleanser. I don't know why I prefer this in the shower, but I do. And then for shampoo and conditioner, I use whatever's cheapest most of the time. But today I have this in both shampoo and conditioner. L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Smoothing Shampoo. It's for frizz control. And I need that. And I have this in the conditioner as well. And then body wash. Does body wash really matter, guys? I don't think so. I just have Suave. This one is Everlasting Sunshine. So. And then I also have a detangling brush in the shower because I will brush my hair before I get in it. But I've been reading that if you have any kind of wave texture to your hair whatsoever, you should detangle while it's wet in the shower with conditioner in your hair. So I've been trying to do that. I'm not good at that. So I'll do that and then I will be back with you guys. Now that I'm out of the shower, I'm going to put on my eczema cream and then I'm going to go sit in the living room, edit my video, and probably chill until about lunchtime. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you guys later. Bye!